Here's some of my COVID-19 projects. Thanks to my YouTube friend, Big Clive. Thanks, Clive. I do appreciate it. I'd be bored out of my mind without you. So thanks for all the ideas. And anybody has any questions about these things, just let me know. Well, let's start and show you what these are. A motion detect sensor on a multicolor LED, fast and blink. Little flashlight I made. It says 2 LEDs. I don't know if you can see. There's 2 LEDs in there. Little flashlight type thing with a thing. Here's some of these boards I put together just to try to do. And here's a slow flash LEDs on a small board. Green ones that are fast flashing. Blue ones that are flashing. Multicolor. They're called gallium. Clive has these on his board. And the big, huge gallium A4. Thanks, Clive.